Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. My name is Danielle and I make lifestyle videos, motherhood, DIY, and obviously some budget-friendly videos. Today we're continuing my series of getting my life together by decluttering. So in this video we're going to declutter this hot mess that I call a buffet in my dining room. It started out as a craft center to hold all of my craft supplies, but as you can see, we've gotten a bit lazy and we've just thrown things in there. So before we get started, I want to go ahead and mention that this video is in collaboration with Natasha from My Style, My Home. I went ahead and shared this clip with you because her cooking videos are actually my favorite. She does a lot of cleaning and decluttering videos as well, so I hope that you'll go over and subscribe to her channel. Make sure you give her a thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind, comment on her latest video and let her know that I sent you. I promise you won't regret it. She's super motivational, and let me tell you, this food looks killer. You're gonna want to see what she's making, so go over there and let her know that I said hi. So here I have a donation box, I have a keep box, as well as some larger Ziploc bags and some smaller ones to kind of sort everything. So basically what's going to happen is while I'm sorting this, I'm going to throw everything into the boxes, but the smaller stuff like colored pencils, paper clips, stuff like that, those are all going to go in baggies, and that is going to make my life easier when I go to put everything in storage buckets for my basement downstairs, which will be the season finale of this series. So basically I'm just gonna go through everything, sort it, declutter, and show you the after.
You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell.
My kids just got new art sets for Christmas, so what I'm gonna do is, we've had these for a long time, some of them are broken. They're just not something that the kids are gonna dig through anymore when they have brand new cases of art supplies. So what I'm doing is making it easier on my thrift store. So I'm putting colored pencils in one container, and then I'm putting the crayons in another, and this will just make it a lot easier on my thrift store when they go to sort it. I don't like just throwing stuff in a box and saying, here, figure it out.
You left me running on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability. that we're in.
Finally, we're to the end of this cabinet, which is the center cabinet of the buffet. So now I'm just going to wipe everything out. And then I was like, you know what? This is a pretty good little space here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in all of my appliances. I have some great appliances, but they were never displayed where I could just grab them quickly. They were always put somewhere where other stuff was in the way. So I'm going to display them here. And if you wait till the end, you'll see it completely displayed, but basically I'm just going to throw those in here, and then in the future we're going to do some organization in the other drawers and cabinets, and I'll show you that as well. Just that will be in a later video, because right now I'm just worried about decluttering before I bring anything new into my house.
Everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. To doubting you was enough. To leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my
So unfortunately, my camera was not recording on 2 of the 3 drawer cleanouts, and I apologize for that. So this is the only one that you're going to see, but my buffet is officially cleaned out. I have 1 keep box and 1 donate box. So anyways, I hope that you guys will join me in future episodes of getting my life together, decluttering my entire home, all 3 floors. And then after we get everything decluttered, I hope that you'll join me for new organization tips, as well as decorating completely over in my dining room and a couple of other places. I'm super excited to show you. So please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.